You look so bothered right now.
I haven't even tasted it yet. I legit feel like spiders crawling up my skin. Same thing when I do like a dry shot of pre-workouts. It's the same feeling. Heart palpitations and everything.
I'm like so hungover. I don't know why I'm doing this. I will have one forkful and then that's it. Oh wow, it's piping hot. Oh my god, that's disgusting. You eat this for fun? Oh my god, this is disgusting. Oh my god. Ew.
Spicy stuff again? Did you make him eat spicy stuff again? How spicy is that though? I want to try that. That smells right up my alley.
Oh my god.
Woo. It's pretty spicy, but
Not good.
I'm going back in for more. That gets the blood flowing. If you want to have a really strong erection, eat some spicy food before you have sex. It really gets the blood flowing.
Duly noted.
Woo!
I already feel like shit.
Not taking that spicy taste.
Oh, it's bad once it gets into your nose. I feel like a lot of blood rushing to my eye.
He's in for more.
It gets better the more you eat it. No, the chocolate last time, that was terrible. I went to work that day and I could not work. Show us footage of the chocolate. Whoa.
Yeah?
That's actually pretty hot. Oh God.
You're acting.
I swear to God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I like it. I love it. Oh my God. Milk. I feel like I might hallucinate or something. I feel like Jesus Christ on the cross, if he had been lit on fire by habanero, rubbed into his eyes and mouth and nose and all type of orifices. Like a thunderbolt hit me on the tip of the dick. Woo!
Doing a mukbang today.
This is her. We're doing the spicy noodles. I'm very excited because I've had this before. I love it. Very tasty.
Tried to stop getting over it. Gonna take a huge bite, guys.
This is like a whole thing for him.
Oh God.
It's bad? Are you okay, David?
Oh God.
Oh no.
No, I'm not even joking. I feel like I'm bleeding.
They're not cooked all the way through. That's good. This is 2 packets.
That shot really helped though. Are you still eating that? Not as bad as the chocolate though.
Dude, it's fucking crying. It only gets worse.
I can still smell it from here. I can taste with my nose. Next time I should take a mukbang shot. What noodle isn't as bad? I wonder why you're still eating that. Oh my God. I hope everyone can taste that from outside the screen.
Let's give you a taste.
I still feel spiders crawling up my skin just watching you eat that. Oh my God.
He really didn't cook them all the way though.
I don't know, I can tell.
I made the first batch and his brother started eating it. So I was like, you know what? You take that one. And then I was like, okay, you're in charge of making this.
I failed.
If you know anyone that really likes spicy food, give them this.
Oh God. I really know how you're eating that. I'm being serious. I don't know why you eat this crap. I don't know why I'm eating this with you. I'm a real friend. Oh God, I burned my tongue. I'm sorry, I literally just burned my tongue taking a hit.
Oh my God.
I'm trying to stop feeling anything.
Okay. He's in a lot of pain, so I'm gonna... I love this shit, but I already ate a lot of it, so hold on.
I have IBS because of this. Watch Along Came Polly, but that one scene where he shits himself in the bathroom and he has to wipe his own ass, that's me.
Oh, you didn't cook it all the way.
Oh, hell no. David, what did you do to this? There's something wrong with this one. Oh God, this tastes bad. The other one tasted good. This tastes like shit. It's not even spicy, it just doesn't taste good. It just tastes like garbage. David, it's okay because I know you don't know how to cook noodles. Bye guys.